We can also look at what are called quartile ranks. I have the same 20 scores that we've been looking at here. And the idea of quartiles is if your data is represented by a line from here to here, then you break this data into 4 chunks. Okay, the chunks here that are fairly obvious is the first 5, the next 5, the next 5, and the next 5. So 1/4 of your data is here, 1/4 is here, 1/4 is here, and 1/4 is here. Fourth or quarter or quartile. Okay? Now the definition of quartiles is that your second quartile, Q2, is the median. Okay, now to get the median of these 20 items, what are you going to do? If you throw out the first and the last, and the second to the last, and so forth, and keep throwing things out, you're going to be left with 82 and 83 in the middle. And the median is therefore going to be the average of the 82 and 83, or 82.5. And we're going to then line this as the first quartile, and we'll label that as 82. Got a decimal there, let's kind of obscure that. 82.5. Okay, the first quartile is defined as the median of all the values that lie below the second quartile. So here's the second quartile, all the values that lie below the second quartile from 82 on down to 71, and we take the median of these. Well, there are 10 of these, so the median will occur between the 5th and the 6th. We're going to average the 5th and the 6th, the 76 and the 78, and see that the first quartile lies at what we're going to call 77. That's not actually a data point. We don't have 77 in our data, but the first quartile is defined to be the median of all this stuff, and that median is 77. And then the third quartile is defined to be the median of all the values above the second quartile, and it'll be the median of the 10 values here, which will lie between the 89 and the 91 at 90. So the second quartile, well, the first quartile is the mean, second quartile is the median, which is the mean of the 2 numbers that are left in the middle, which is 82.5. The first quartile, well, that fell between the 76 and the 78, so we're going to average those to get to 77. The third quartile is the median of everything above the second quartile, which is going to be what we get when we average the 89 and the 91, and that's 90, just as indicated on the picture.